Hi there, Paria is here from Formaloo and welcome to our new video. In this video, I want to show you how you can create the most engaging employee feedback survey and transform it into the powerful tool that can help you to build a culture of continuous improvement in your organization. Okay, let's kick it off. First, open your dashboard. On the top right, by clicking on the plus blank Formaloo, you need to click on blank form. Here you can add your form title and adding description. By clicking Upload Picture, you can upload your desired picture, and by clicking on Logo, you can add your logo to your form. Now let's start adding our field. There are multiple fields options that you can choose between, and also you can customize them. After you have added the fields that you need, you can add your final message into a content field and moving to final adjustments. Here, by clicking on the setting icon, you can choose between multiple item and single item. Also, you can select a background color. In the notification tab, you have the option to enable sending submitter data to the submitter and notifying the respondents. In the Setting tab, you have multiple options for customizing your form, such as limiting one entry per IP and send data to redirect URL. And finally, by clicking on the View button, you can see the final results. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial and tips. Until next time, happy formaling!